Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from MetaTrader 5 to your bank account. Alright, let us begin. First of all, open your MetaTrader 5 application and make sure it is updated to the latest version. After that, sign in to your account and you will see your main screen. Now, you cannot withdraw money directly from MetaTrader 5. To withdraw your money, you need to send your funds to your broker account. For example, Exodus or any other account you use. To do this, click on Deposit and transfer your funds from MetaTrader 5 to your broker account. Once you receive the money in your broker account, you can simply click on the withdraw option and withdraw it to your bank account. So this is the only way right now to withdraw money from MetaTrader 5 to your bank account. And that is it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.